In an increasingly uncertain world, the importance of being prepared for potential emergencies or SHTF scenarios cannot be overstated. Whether facing natural disasters, economic instability, civil unrest, or any other unforeseen crises, mastering essential skills before SHTF is paramount for ensuring your survival, resilience, and self-reliance. So we're going to take a look at a list of skills that people should master to enhance their preparedness and their ability to thrive in challenging circumstances. First aid and medical skills. Proficiency in first aid and medical skills is essential for addressing injuries, illnesses, and even medical emergencies in survival situations. Learn basic first aid techniques like wound care, CPR, and the treatment of burns, fractures, and other common injuries. Acquire knowledge of medical supplies, medications, and improvised medical treatments to provide effective care when professional medical assistance is unavailable. Wilderness survival skills. Wilderness survival skills are indispensable for navigating and surviving in natural environments. So learn essential skills like navigation with using maps and compasses, building shelters, starting fires, purifying water, foraging for food, and even signaling for help. Practice these survival techniques in different environments and conditions to build your confidence and adaptability in the wilderness. Bushcraft and outdoor skills. Bushcraft encompasses a range of outdoor skills and techniques for living and thriving in the wilderness. So master skills like knife handling, woodcraft, primitive fire making, campcraft, and natural navigation. Develop proficiency in carving tools, constructing traps and snares, identifying edible plants and wildlife, and crafting essential items from natural materials. Self-defense and security. In uncertain times, the ability to protect yourself and your loved ones is paramount. So learn self-defense techniques like hand-to-hand combat, situational awareness, and defensive tactics. Familiarize yourself with firearm safety and marksmanship, and acquire proficiency in using firearms for self-defense if legally permitted. Develop security measures for securing your home, property, and your belongings against potential threats or intrusions. Food production and foraging. Food production and foraging skills are essential for securing a sustainable food supply in survival situations. So learn gardening techniques like soil preparation, planting, cultivation, and harvest. Look into permaculture principles, companion planting, and sustainable farming practices to maximize food production in limited spaces. Additionally, acquire knowledge on wild edibles, foraging ethics, and safe harvesting practices for wild plants and fungi. Water sourcing and purification. Access to clean water is critical for survival, and mastering water sourcing and purification skills is essential in emergency situations. Learn techniques for locating water sources like rivers, streams, and natural springs. Acquire knowledge of water purification methods like boiling, chemical treatment, filtration, and solar disinfection to make water safe for drinking. Firearm handling and marksmanship. Firearms can be valuable tools for self-defense, hunting, and security in survival scenarios. So master firearm handling and marksmanship through formal training, practice, and just familiarization with different types of firearms and ammunition. Learn firearm safety rules, proper handling techniques, and effective shooting fundamentals to safely and accurately use firearms for protection and sustenance. Communication and networking. Effective communication and networking skills are essential for accessing information, resources, and assistance during emergencies. Develop communication strategies for staying in touch with family members, neighbors, and community members during crises. Establish networks of like-minded individuals, prepper groups, and community organizations to share your knowledge, resources, and support in times of need. Mechanical and repair skills. Proficiency in mechanical and repair skills is valuable for maintaining and repairing essential equipment, tools, and infrastructure in survival situations. So learn basic mechanical principles, troubleshooting techniques, and repair procedures for common household items, vehicles, generators, and mechanical systems. Also acquire knowledge of improvised repairs and jerry-rigging techniques, used available resources and materials. Psychological resilience and mental health. Psychological resilience and mental health are crucial for coping with stress, trauma, and adversity in survival situations. So develop resilience-building strategies like stress management techniques, mindfulness practices, and emotional regulation skills. Cultivate a positive mindset, adaptability, and a sense of purpose to overcome challenges and thrive in challenging circumstances. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments. You know I want to hear from you. And check out this video YouTube has picked for you to watch next.